right. So right now we're gonna play a little game, and this is this feels like a reunion. I love this. These guys all used to work at Kumu with me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, cool. All right, thanks, Pinch.
Sabi, kumusta?
Yes.
Kumusta?
It's funny now that it's like we have a two-headed bald dragon here.
We're like two balls, right?
Yeah. And then this. What's this?
Oh, that's powered.
Ayan na siya.
Okay. So here's the game.
Okay.
I'm going to read a prompt, and you guys have to point out who fits this scenario best.
Mhm.
Okay, so like here's an example. Who is most likely to take a 2-week social media detox? You have to point to who that is and
Okay.
why. All right. So the first one is who is most likely to go unexpectedly viral for something they said in a content or during a stream?
Mela.
Mela, bakit?
Well, kakasabi lang niya, nag-inuman siya.
Opinionated ako masyado.
Si
Yeah.
Mela kasi walang ano yun.
Baka
No
gusto mo
filter.
Yes.
No filter yan eh. Pag may basher siya, talagang.
Patola.
So what? Ganun siya.
So you go after your bashers?
Yeah. Pag may time.
What's wrong with drinking?
Too big.
Yeah.
So you go after your bashers. What's the worst
pag may
comment?
time na.
Yeah.
Worst comment. Ayoko.
Ay,
Masyadong
recent,
viral
ano?
yun.
Bakit recent?
No, sometimes kasi, actually, yung partner ko, inaawat din ako. Kasi sabi niya, minsan nakakalimutan mo, meron kang 300k followers.
Oo.
Kasi yung opinion ko, parang kunyari, if any other regular person would make that comment, okay lang eh. It's just my opinion. Kaya lang, syempre,
So,
na-pick up siya ng ibang ano.
madaling salita, patola ka rin.
Oo, patola po talaga.
So syempre your voice is spotlighted.
Yeah.
And so you can't just easily say what you want.
Kasi
But you do.
sometimes feeling ko na parang umalis naman ako dun sa ganong world. Parang I'm not as involved anymore in volleyball, ganyan, every now and then na lang. So parang feeling ko, yung page ko it's just my personal page.
It's just you
But
na. Yeah.
So what I do, the first time it happened again recently. Recent lang.
Ano sabi mo?
Secret.
Inopen mo na eh.
Basta
Oo nga eh.
it was so bad. Like the fans of a certain person were really going after me.
Sino to?
So may mga
Bea?
branded engagements that I needed to protect. Kaya
Magalit
nag-turn
eh.
off ako ng comments, mga ganyan. Yeah.
Oo.
Carmela Tunay, canceled. Okay, so next one. Who is most likely to accept an endorsement without actually trying the product?
Bea.
Bea.
Bakit?
Wow.
Matindi
Bea.
pa nga kailangan.
Matindi pa nga ngayon.
Pati sabi mo, ako.
Ako talaga.
Nag-volunteer na.
Wala, kasi sayang eh. For me, it's an
Sayang,
opportunity
pera.
eh. Oo,
Okay.
di ba? So, lahat, anything go. Di ba?
Laban lang.
Laban lang.
Oo.
Kaya naman daan sa pagka-professional, kunyari, kung hindi pala maganda yung product, edi in a good way, sabihin natin, parang,
Okay,
parang
so
siya.
For example,
yun,
Ayan na.
go.
Bravo. Yung for men. Zoom.
Paano ko yun na ano yun?
Ayun,
Baka
parang-
para
It's
sa'yo
like-
yun.
It's like Viagra for men.
Go.
Okay, so kung tatanggapin ko siya.
For you, kasi
Yes.
Kunyari, commercial na lang siya with my boyfriend.
Yun.
And then my gift to my boyfriend is that.
Yeah.
Ay, wow. May
Tanggapin ba
concept
din?
na.
Di ba? Meron na agad.
next one. Who is most likely to start a bizarre new side hustle?
Bizarre.
Mela.
Mela.
Isipin ko palang ikaw eh. Kasi
Parang wala namang
nag-explore
bizarre.
ka lang. Bizarre.
Why?
So, kasi for a time nag-explore ako eh. After Kumu, business. So, ngayon nagni-nails. Nagni-nails din ako.
Nag-coffee.
So, I'm a certified Russian manicure.
What?
Yeah. So, syempre, when I do business, gusto ko very hands-on. So, I took all those certifications. And then, even when I'm not doing that business, yung salon anymore, I still have my own home studio for nails. Just so I can still practice that skill.
Can I see?
Pero ito di ako gumawa. Pero pag sa sarili ko, kasi
No.
gusto ko relax eh.
Mga design.
Yeah.
So, uy, malaki sweldo nito sa abroad ah. Actually, mag-aaral siya.
No. My
Yeah.
my wife is like,
Yeah.
she constantly tells me about how she keeps
The Russian
jumping to
manager.
different.
I see your wife in one of the famous pages of
Yun.
yeah. She
Okay.
gets her nails done there.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Mahala.
Yes. So, yan ang mga bizarre, side hustle.
It's crazy. It's like
4K a set. Yeah.
yeah, it's like
3K a
what is
set.
it? Like 500 pesos a nail, something like that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
More,
But it's
more, more.
very intricate process.
No,
always.
because they could do like not only do they do like little art, but they like my wife. Her latest one was like a cheetah or like
Yeah.
it was like a cheetah, so it was like a brownish yellow thing, and like she goes, "Do my nails look good?" And I said, "Mukhang cockroach." She didn't like it. She didn't like it because they did.
Yeah.
Yeah, yung daughter ko rin.
The
9-year-old. Nagpunta kami sa toy shop. Ang binili yung
Mga
yung
pang-nails.
Sabi ko, ano yan?
Press-ons.
Tapos nung sa bahay, ayun na, suot na.
Dinidikit lang.
Siya na nagsistart.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Who is most likely to accidentally stream, share, screen their private desktop?
Parang wala.
Parang wala.
Parang
Very
Very
sigurista.
safe kami.
Oo. Yung
Hindi namin ginagawa yun.
mga ganyang,
Oo.
si Bea kasi parang feeling ko very organized siya
Correct.
na tao. So, hindi
Nagpa-practice
siya-
pa ako before stream.
Correct. Feeling ko wala.
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 Okay, so who is most likely? Okay, I think I know who this is, but who is most likely to start a random fight with a streamer or viewer in a live chat?
Dito nakatingin na lang
Eh,
kami.
nakikipag-engage ka din ba siya? Hindi
Yeah.
nagsusumbong to eh.
It's not a fight. It's basically
Patola.
you will defend yourself.
Yeah. Si
Yeah.
Bea
Or
kasi iyakin, alam mo, hindi lang
Ano?
hindi lang bashers ko yung inaaway ko.
Oh.
Nagsusumbong din siya sa akin. Basically, sabi niya, sobrang kapal daw ng blush on ko. Sino dyan? As in, ako yung nag-aaway sa mga... Kasi
So,
iyak siya. Pag sinabing makapal
papasok
yung...
ka sa stream niya, tapos
Yes, akyat.
Savior
Oh.
ko to.
Mm.
Kasi
Yung mga
scared ako
ganong
eh.
petty lang, iiyak na siya.
And then, tsaka yung audience kasi ni Mela, very passionate. Like, sasabihin nila talaga kahit anong gusto nila sabihin. Kaya minsan, majiji ka talaga. Kahit kakanta lang siya or magra-rap siya, tapos biglang kung ano-ano na yung kino-comment nila. So, parang, minsan talaga, pipitik ka eh.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kaya siya talaga.
Sobrang linis naman ni Jel. Wala tayong na-point sa
Oo nga
kanya.
eh. Ano bang iba ba dyan?
So has there any in your streaming history at Kumu or not even at Kumu? Like what are your most memorable moments where you've maybe like let's say Mela jumped into your stream to defend you or
Dami eh. Kasi I've been streaming for 5 years na. And everyday talagang memorable siya. Pero siguro the most memorable
pang
talaga
beauty
yung...
queen yung
Hindi, kasi
na
totoo siya eh.
everyday memorable.
Ano
Yeah.
parang...
Siyempre may kita yun everyday. Memorable
Oo.
talaga.
Grabe
Kaya
yun
magla-live ka, di ba?
Nangihinayang si Casey, hindi siya
Hindi siya
nag-stream.
nag-stream na rin.
Oh my
Kami
gosh.
condo.
I
ng
have
partner ko.
I have like the most followers in Kumu, one of them, and I can't buy water.
Oh.
Kasi you're the giver eh. Parang pag pumasok
So
sa stream,
Gifter.
I know.
Ganon.
Sir Casey. Eh.
Baka
The owner of
naman.
Kumu.
The owner.
Sa uulitin ang kwentuhan, kulitan at kalokohan. Kaya mag-follow at subscribe na sa YouTube, Spotify at iba pa naming socials para hindi mahuli sa susunod na kwentuhan with KC.